The phenomenal Kenny Roberts.
Never ever thought about doing anything else. I worked in a shop when I was 14, 15 years old, just to be around motorcycles.
Kenny Roberts was just 21 years old when he became the U.S. Grand National Champion, the youngest champion ever. To win the national championship, you have to compete in 4 totally different types of racing: TT, short track, mile and half-mile dirt track ovals, and road racing.
He's an exceptional rider, and I like racing with Kenny because he's clever, he's very, very skillful.
He won 28 national championship races, more than any other man in history. And that's why they call him King Kenny.